In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M304a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, copy the link that I have provided at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please open up your Google Chrome and here at the address bar, press Ctrl V in your keyboard or either make a right click and click on paste and then click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to see this kind of window or result. So here you get to see this HP LaserJet Pro M304a. Please scroll down and look for installation software and full or basic driver supports. So there you can see this full software solution. Click on download. The moment you click on it, wait until it would be completed. Okay. Once you have downloaded it successfully, you need to copy and paste it here to the desktop. So here you need to double tap to make extract or unzip the file or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go and extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. So once a new file folder has been created, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and that way or manner you'll be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, proceed directly to the left pane and look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Once you click on it in this section, please find for printers and scanners. Click on it, and there you can see this option called Add Device. So the moment you click on it, in a few seconds, you'll be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on it and wait until you'll be able to open another window where you can find a printer by other options. So once it's here, please choose for add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and please use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Once done, click on next. Then click on have disk and click on browse. Now, since our extracted file is at the desktop that we need to navigate there, click on that one, find your extracted file, double tap, and then you need to select any of this. Okay, just select any of that and click on open and click on the OK button. And once done, you'll get to see that one. Click on next and please rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting M304a. So once done, click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M304a printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.